Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to post video on Bigo Live. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Bigo Live. Once you open up Bigo Live, you will be landing on this page. So here you can see video icon on bottom left corner. Tap on it. So here you will be seeing video of so many accounts. Now if you want to add your video, post your video, then simply tap on edit icon on top right corner. Simply tap on it. Now select a video from your photo gallery. Let me select this one, then tap on done. Once you have selected it, again tap on it. Now here if you want to add some caption, then you can add and then tap on post. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.